Hello, my name is Catherine Diaz. I am studying accounting public. Impact of technology on my community life. What has technology changed human life in your community? The contributes of technology have allowed many more people to access educational service, obtain more effective communication with friends and family who are in other cities and countries. Technology has changed the perception of many times in everyday life, such as communication, work, food, health. It is normal to see today people why the last generation cell phones that facilitate many daily activities and contribute in the positive way. But you can also see how many people have lose their job since they are replaced by machines that to technology will mean more efficiency various work activity, especially in industrial areas. What positive and negative aspect do you consider your community has had in the use of technology nowadays? Positive aspect one as to the education through the internet, two long distance communication, three recreation, for different forms of learning, five tools that improve their work activities, such as machine, computer, and cell phones. Negative aspect one like society, one the environment, two much time on society network, three lack house of books, for mental illness due societal network, five cyber abuse, six loss on employment due to substitution of personnel on machinery. Thank you.